Welcome back. Today we're making these adorable mini macarons. This is a small batch recipe of my French macaron recipe, which makes about 36 of these mini macs. You start by sifting together your dry ingredients, then whipping up your French meringue with a bit of cream of tartar and some granulated sugar. After adding in your gel food coloring and reaching stiff peaks in your KitchenAid, you're going to slowly fold your dry ingredients into your meringue. This is the hardest part of making macarons, and you want to fold your ingredients by making 2 swoops around your bowl and then pulling through the center twice. As you're doing this, you want to keep mixing until the batter starts to kind of deflate and it gets a smooth lava-like consistency. The best way to know if your batter is ready is to do the figure 8 test, where you let your batter flow off your spatula like this and you see if you can draw a figure 8 with your batter. As you can see, mine is at the perfect consistency, so it's time to pipe our macs. I added my batter into a small piping bag fit with a very small round piping tip, and after working my batter down and sealing the top of my bag with a rubber band, I piped mini macs that were about 1 centimeter wide. They're going to get a tiny bit wider as you bang your pan on the counter, and after doing that you want to make sure that you pop any air bubbles you see with a toothpick or a scribe. Then it's time to bake our macs at about 300 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Be sure to flip the pan halfway through to make sure they bake evenly. Once they've cooled and you peel them off the pan, you're going to fill them with a little bit of your American buttercream, sandwich them together, and then let them mature overnight before enjoying. The full recipe is linked in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.